Building wealth doesn't look like the 4 a.m. ice bath you see on social media. We're often sold a version of success built on intensity, extreme physical challenges. Routines usually fail because they rely on willpower, and willpower eventually runs out of gas. You can force yourself into a freezing shower for 2 days, but by day 3, the design of the routine breaks under its own difficulty. People who successfully build long-term wealth rely on repetition instead of intensity. They build small, almost invisible systems that are so boring and easy to repeat that they can keep them running for decades without burning out. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a personalized 39-minute routine. You'll leave this video with a clear sequence and one activated financial system. To start, you'll need a pen, a piece of paper, and your phone. Designing an environment for automation shifts your progress from a daily choice to a structural reality. Let's look at the first step in building that environment. Step 1 is to protect your first 5 minutes. Write this down. The rule is simple. Don't touch your phone when you wake up. When you check notifications immediately, you start your day reacting to other people's priorities. 5 minutes of silence ensures your own thoughts arrive before the world pulls you in 12 directions. Next is the 2-minute direction setter. Your brain has a natural filtering system that decides what to notice and what to ignore. You can calibrate that filter every morning by stating your focus out loud or on paper. Copy these 3 sentences onto your paper. Committing to reading them each morning tells your brain exactly what to pay attention to before the day gets loud. Step 3 is the 20-minute learning window. Write down the specific book, podcast, or article you will consume tomorrow morning. This window adds up to over 100 hours of financial education every year. Consistency here changes what you notice. Over time, financial opportunities and risks that used to be invisible start to stand out clearly. These first 27 minutes act as a shield. They insulate your mind from distractions and prepare you to make logical, unemotional decisions with your money. We're moving to the financial core of the routine. Step 4, the 60-second money check. Open your banking app right now. You have 3 specific tasks. Look at your balance to stay informed, confirm that your automated bills went through, and name one single financial priority for your day. Many people avoid their banking apps because looking at the numbers creates anxiety. This habit neutralizes that feeling. Over time, checking your account stops being a source of stress and starts being simple information. Now we reach Step 5, the auto transfer setup. Navigate to the Transfer tab in your app immediately. Set up an automatic transfer to move a set amount into your savings or an index fund every payday. This ensures your money moves before you have the chance to spend it. If you feel like you don't have enough to save, start with $5. Building the automated habit is more important right now than the specific dollar amount. Starting this system early provides a mathematical advantage that is hard to make up later. Time in the market is often more effective than waiting for a higher income to begin. Step 5 removes motivation from the equation. Once running, your wealth grows in the background without needing your permission or effort every morning. We finish the routine with Step 6, 10 minutes of movement. Add this to your list. A short walk or some basic stretching is sufficient. You don't need a gym to wake up your brain. Light physical activity early in the day sharpens your decision-making and helps regulate your emotions for several hours afterward. Finally, Step 7, the 1-sentence journal. Before you leave, write down one goal or a single financial commitment for the day. Writing a commitment down gives it weight that a passing thought lacks. This creates a physical record of your progress for the days when the numbers don't seem to be moving yet. These final minutes of physical and mental priming are the reinforcements. They keep your focus sharp so the automated financial systems you've built can stay intact. You now have a 39-minute framework in your hands. You've designed a personalized routine that handles the most important aspects of wealth building before your workday even starts. If you finished Step 5, you have achieved a significant victory. Your money is now set to grow automatically. To avoid burnout, do not try to do all 7 steps tomorrow morning. Attempting an overnight overhaul is usually why routines collapse. Look at your list and pick the single easiest step. Commit to doing only that one tomorrow, and let me know which one you're starting with in the comments. Lasting wealth is built through simple, quiet actions, repeated so often they become second nature. Start with one step tomorrow.